Hello, here's Tobias from Better Reviews for WooCommerce. Let's install the plugin. It's here in the repository also. Search for WP to leads. And then you have here the Better Reviews for WooCommerce plugin. Activate. So we have been on to plugins, add new, and searched for WP to leads. Or you drag and drop your download file here and install it. Yeah, you have the possibility to join the wizard once, so please read carefully. We will update this page with the video we take now. And yeah, here will you see what you get. And let's start. Also, the free shortcode plugin is linked here. Let's start and configure our plugin. Trust Jobs credentials are optional. I will just do the main thing. Ask customers for review. My personal thing is we don't do it. If you have yes, then just visit your checkout and see if it is showing on the right place. If you use something like Klarna, it's not working because Klarna has its own checkout part on checkout page. Normal PayPal, PayPal Plus, it's working. Here you can filter domains. When you have Amazon, eBay, Rakuten or something else, which sending you orders to WooCommerce, but they don't have a normal human email address, so you filter them out and not panic these providers with marketing mails. This is normal. After each email is sent, you have 30 days to review, otherwise it's get outdated. When to generate review requests on completed, I would say you can change it. What to review, this you can change also. And transfer only approved reviews. That means send thank you mail or mark as reviewed only when approved. That's based on the rules of the reviews or the comments of the comments rules in WordPress. Here you can say ClickTip or WooCommerce. ClickTip is a German email marketing provider I use, but you don't need to have it. You can add it like this. So we wait 3 days, and after 3 days send mail, then we wait 7 days, and then we wait 11 days if not reviewed. But we leave it empty, so we send it at the same immediately. That's very good for testing. Saving and follow the green button. That's our template. So we have here the nice colors and order number and everything else we can add, but we don't need to. Just like that. Maybe you know your color already, so set it to a nice color or some default blue, and on save it will be updating. So think about conversion, think about your own colors, edit template, and you can change also to 2 rows. here, but yeah, don't suggest it. And also later, if we do the countdown, you can add it also here. So use these to grab more attention for the customers, so they see, oh, it's personal, written to me, and that it's very good. That will convert a lot. Here I would just suggest something that's not cropped, so you have a good view of the picture. Depending on the picture, I had my online shop picture with text, and if it is cropped, it's not beautiful. The review stars, very good. Here you can say custom link or product page link. You can leave it like this, or you can say 4 and 5 stars go to a form where you ask them about what was wrong, like a support form. And you could add the support form link also some information. We leave it at the moment like this. And here, review page. You can create the page, and then you have your own reviews page. Here now we can test. Now you see it does its scrolling, and then you write again. So you see it's also step by step. Yes, you can change the length also to 0, then they only star review it. Here you see very good, excellent, and the others are pending. If you go on like this, it's going also, I like this very much, it's going also up again. This I like very much, so you get everything reviewed very quickly. So a lot of things needed here. You see you need imprint, privacy, and the logo. And you can add this here, you have this. You can add this at this page. Also the example text. 0 means you can only stars needed. Change the colors. And just save and view your page again. Upload logo. Blog title is then under the logo. So here is the footer. Just go to your website, mark your imprint, right click and copy the HTML code and add it here. And then you have your imprint and privacy, AGB, everything here. Product description, if you hide it, it's more compact. See here, it's very close, that uses little space. Sometimes it's very good. And yep. So these settings we go in an extra video because it's new, and yeah, that's also something to set up, but we can do it also later. We just do your mail settings. So I have to go back in time because it's a testing site. Here you have mails, orders, it's dummy orders, and you can generate review requests. Just go back like you feel. If you feel very connected to the persons, go back 19 days and then just click here and generate for selected. So that's very good. There are some people, they had only 60 orders for the last weeks, And then they got about 5 reviews in the next 15 minutes. That was very good. They liked it very much. I will show you this by with some, doesn't let me say like deselected. Okay, just by one. So we have a background service that's doing it one by one. Okay, then it's a very, very long list. So we go to the next page. Here, that means the mail is sent instantly. And you can see the mail that was sent. We don't have product pictures here, it's only dummy text. You see we use the colors, but a lot of products were added. So step back. Here you can also test the spamminess. Everything is very highly suggested because then you see server set up right. You had some other content added, maybe that's not good. Yeah, so this with the sending and testing we do later. So start transferring. Auto transfer is very good. So every new order will do transfer. So because I'm here in the testing environment and I do not have any late reviews, I have to generate my own orders. And then you see how quick it is, and I love this view. Yeah, see you in 1 minute. Hey, back. My orders are generated. So we have here in the generated requests, they were just shortly and then generated and sent. Here, now we have emails we can receive. Send, that's created. Status changed at the same moment. So let's come with me in my email program. That's the beauty. Just hide this. You see we have all the orders. Starting. Okay, here we have the new order. Order is completed, and then we have already the review request for this. That's the mail. And I click. I describe. Zack. And I say yes. So already sent. I can do another one, but I don't have to. Some trick is you can add any details here. So it's a WooCommerce filled functioned page. So if you ask for more, not only the review, if you ask for the company or the experience or something like this, it could be here with the extra fields. We don't offer it at the moment, but we will do it also because it's make it more sustainable. So we close this page and reload. So you get a notification. You see here now 2 more. You don't see the status changed here because we did not approve it. So 1 is enough, and the status will change. So I don't know. It was one of the first. Here, reviewed. This was. So we can also do the second one, but there's no need to. It still stays reviewed. And that's very good. And yeah, I would just say here I just do it with you once because it's really important. So paste it here and send this mail to the mail tester. And then check the score. No. I had this bad score because my server is not validated. It's only testing environment. Here, not fully authenticated. And that's nothing to worry about. And here it says if it is -5, then it's considered a spam, but it's 1.7. It's totally okay. Okay, just think of get your server authenticated completely, and that's important. Ask your webmaster, web hoster for it. Yeah, thank you. So we checked, and yeah, that's the whole installation. Yeah, let's go for the coupon settings. I will do it in the next video.